Right guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to cover the faces on your iPhone photos with emojis if you want to hide it from other people to see it, or if you want to upload it to social media and you just don't want people to see the face, especially if you're talking about minors. Okay, so how to do it? We just close our phone, lock it, and then I open the camera. Now I want to make a photo of this person on my laptop screen. Okay, so make the photo. Okay, now we're going back to the photo made. Okay, so what I want to do is to find this tiny icon at the bottom of the screen. You can see it here. We tap on it once. Okay, it asks me to enter my passcode, which I did. We tap on it once. And here what you want to find is at the top of your screen is this tiny marker icon. I want to tap on it as well. So here you can start drawing on this picture or doing whatever you want with it, or you can just tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so what you want to tap is add sticker. So we tap on it. So now it gives you many options to choose from, many different stickers. So I will choose this one. It's a nice one. And now I want to increase it to match the size of the face, okay, by using one of these corner things in the corner of the emoji. Okay, so we put it like that. I think it suits. Okay, now once it's done, just press the done button, tap it with your finger. So now it's done. Now we can use this photo and upload it to wherever you want, and it's going to look like that with the face covered with an emoji. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated.